Hello and welcome to Nimbus tutorial video. This is the main Nimbus dashboard and this video is about discount configuration. When we click on the discounts button, it takes us to this specific screen where we can click on the new button to configure a new discount. Here we are first given an option to type the name of the discount, then choose a date range in which the discount will be applied, and next we are asked to select the type of discount we want to configure. And this particular video is about discount on percentage or value. Then we click on next. Here, as its name suggests, the discount is available in two options. First, I will show you how to configure discount on value. Here I am giving a value of 100 rupees, and since the items selected are all, this means that whenever my user will load any of their items in the checkout or in the sales and return, they will be given a reduction of 100 rupees against that item. However, since the discounts are mostly in percentages, so here we'll be looking at the percentage discount. I have given a value, and for item I will choose specific items from the departments. I select cosmetics and then move next. Here I can see that the items in my department have been loaded. From here I can delete any of the items if I want, and I can also configure a different discount value. Here this means that now if my customer will load this specific item, that is the eyeshadow, so then they are going to get a 20% reduction on this item. And then I click on save record to save this discount, and we are going to see its practical implementation. So when I'm going to load these two items that I configured, I can already see that there's already been a discount that has been applied. So this was the visual representation of this discount.